GCSE Chemistry, Group 1 Elements, SMARTPATH Tutoring. The Group 1 elements are reactive soft metals. The alkali metals are lithium, sodium, potassium, rubidium, cesium and francium. They all have one electron in their outer shell, which makes them very reactive and gives them similar properties. The alkali metals are all soft and have low densities. The trends for the alkali metals as you go down group 1 include increasing reactivity. The outer electron is more easily lost as the attraction between the nucleus and electron decreases because the electron is further away from the nucleus the further down the group you go. Low melting points and boiling points. A higher relative atomic mass. Alkali metals form ionic compounds with nonmetals. The group 1 elements don't need much energy to lose the outer one electron to form a full outer shell, so they readily form 1+ ions. It's so easy for them to lose their outer electron that they only ever react to form ionic compounds. These compounds are generally white solids that dissolve in water to form colorless solutions. Reaction with water. When group 1 metals are put in water, they react vigorously to produce hydrogen gas and metal hydroxide, compounds that dissolve in water to produce alkaline solutions. The more reactive lower down the group an alkali metal is, the more violent. The more reactive an alkali metal is, the more violent the reaction. The amount of energy given out by the reaction increases down the group. The reaction with potassium releases enough energy to ignite hydrogen. Reaction with chlorine. Group 1 metals react vigorously when heated in chlorine gas to form white metal chloride salts. As you go down the group, reactivity increases, so the reaction with chlorine gets more vigorous. Reaction with oxygen. The group 1 metals can react with oxygen to form a metal oxide. Different types of oxide will form depending on the group 1 metal. Lithium reacts to form lithium oxide. Sodium reacts to form a mixture of sodium oxide and sodium peroxide. Potassium reacts to form a mixture of potassium peroxide and potassium superoxide. Group 1 metals have different properties to transition metals. Group 1 metals are much more reactive than transition metals. They react more vigorously with water, oxygen, or group 7 elements. For example, they are also much less dense, strong, and hard than transition metals and have much lower melting points. For example, manganese melts at 2000 degrees Celsius. Sodium melts at 98 degrees Celsius. Thank you for watching the video. Don't forget to subscribe and like.